Get up. To wake up and leave bed. I get up at 7 every day. I got up late today. Get ready. To prepare yourself. Get ready, we're leaving soon. I need 10 minutes to get ready. Get dressed. To put on clothes. Get dressed, we're going out. It's getting late. Get dressed quickly. Get home. To arrive home. I got home late last night. What time did you get home? Get there. To arrive at a place. We'll get there on time. How did you get there? Get back. To return to a place. When will you get back? I'll get back home soon. Get in. To enter a place, car, room, etc. Get in, we're late. He got in the car and drove away. Get on. To enter, bus, train, etc. Get on, the bus is leaving. I got on the train just in time. Get off. To leave, bus, train, etc. Get off at the next station. I got off at the wrong stop. Get out. To leave or exit. Let's get out before it gets too late. Get out of the room. Get lost. To lose your way. We got lost in the city. I got lost on the way. Get tired. To become tired. I got really tired after work. I'm getting tired of waiting. Get angry. To become angry. Don't get angry over small things. He got angry with me. Get better. To improve or become better. You will get better soon. My English is getting better. Get worse. To become more bad or more serious. The situation is getting worse. His condition got worse overnight. Get sick. To become ill. I got sick last week. I think I'm getting sick. Get well. To recover from an illness. Get well soon. I hope you get well soon. Get over. To recover from something, such as an illness, problem, or emotion. She got over the illness. It's hard to get over a breakup. Get confused. To become confused. I'm getting confused now. I got confused by the question. Get a call. To receive a phone call. I got a call from him. Did you get my call? Get a message. To receive a message. I got your message yesterday. I didn't get the message. Get a job. To find employment. I'm trying to get a job. I finally got a job. Get a chance. To have an opportunity. I hope I get a chance to try again. You'll get another chance. Get permission. To receive approval. You need to get permission first. Did you get permission to go? Get ahead. To become successful or make progress in life or work. Work hard to get ahead. She wants to get ahead in life. Get along. To have a good relationship with someone. We get along very well. Do you get along with him? Get used to. To become accustomed or familiar with something. I'm getting used to my new job. You'll get used to it.